shit. I won't pull up.
Catch you slipping.
I'm finna hit these niggas, hoe ass niggas block today.
Yeah, about to come see about that.
I'm finna ride right down there. Y'all think I'm bullshitting past me with these Let's go, nigga.
Hey, these niggas on the ride.
Right out. I'm riding down your block and your shit get hit, man. I'm riding down your block and your shit get split, man. I'm riding down your block, man. I'm riding down your block, man. I'm riding down your block and your shit get hit, man. I'm riding down your block and your shit get split, man. I'm riding down your block, man. I'm riding down your block, man. I'm riding down your block. It's an intricate plot to get what I got. That's why the feds got hot. Nigga, they all in my spot. Nigga, talk about you. What you rapping that red, nigga? I'm repping that blue. Nigga, your niggas brand new, nigga. What you thought I was a hoe? I'ma come in kicking in the door and everybody gotta go. I need to see these niggas, please. I ain't begging though. Man, everybody gotta motherfucking go. I already told you what the fuck I was about. When I come through in the pistol in your mouth, ain't nothing to talk about. Your niggas plotting and watching little hoe. God damn, man. Gotta go.
Riding down your block and your shit'll get hit, man. I'm riding down your block and your shit'll get split, man. I'm riding down your block, man.
Man.
Riding down your block, man.
I'm riding down your block and your shit'll get hit, man. I'm riding down your block and your shit'll get split, man. I'm riding down your block, man. I'm riding down your block, man.
Pass the motherfucking weapon, hop out the whip and I'm soldier stepping right up to they crib, nigga. Leave them left where they kept, where they slept in the bed, they didn't even get to wake up. Fucked up, caught them without warning, nigga, they got touched. They was talking that shit, I'm looking for the one that was acting the hardest. All you bitch ass niggas ain't nothing but moving targets. See your ass on the street, put you on the concrete. Scrape your ass up with the meat cleaver. Nigga, what you mean, leave it to Beaver? I run up in your shit and leave everybody with their mouth wide open, homicides and shit, traumatized in the hospital bed, left for dead. Don't give a fuck, nigga, you shouldn't fuck with my bread.
I'm riding down your block, your shit'll get hit, man. I'm riding down your block, your shit'll get split, man. I'm riding down your block, man. I'm riding down your block, man. I'm riding down your block and your shit'll get hit, man. I'm riding down your block and your shit'll get hit, man. I'm riding down your block, man. I'm riding down your block, man. I'm always riding down the block. Looking for you, cause you looking for me. Here I go, peekaboo. What you thought I went riding all on your block all day, non-stop, till you niggas drop. I'm all applied, nigga, I got you. Just like a bag, like you wrapping up tissue. Nigga, you do. Plotting, I'm on your block. What you talk about? Come outside, nigga, you pop. I'm riding down your block and your shit'll get hit, man. I'm riding down your block and your shit'll get split, man. I'm riding down your block, man. I'm riding down your block, man. I'm riding down your block and your shit'll get hit, man. I'm riding down your block and your shit'll get split, man. I'm riding down your block, man. I'm riding down your block, man.
I'm riding down your block, got the Glock on cock, ready to hit their ass and feed the motherfuckers stop before the cops can even come and get to looking for that evidence. We done bust up and left the city and the residents. Fuck the president, the government can't get the case. I don't give a fuck, nigga, take his ass on the chase. Rip a nigga from his ass to his face. If he get out of line, we gon' put that bitch back in his place. In the same place, off in the coffin, deep off in the river. 6 feet under the ground, nigga, we deliver. The slug to your door like dominoes. Don't give a fuck about the nigga, bring a drama hoe. And for them riding ass bitches that be plotting, I see you slipping. We'll catch you tripping, don't give a fuck, it's pimping. Slap that hoe if she get out of line for show. I don't give a fuck, nigga, cause I don't even know. But I'm
riding down your block, your shit'll get hit, man. I'm riding down your block and your shit'll get split, man. I'm riding down your block, man. I'm riding down your block, man. I'm riding down your block and your shit'll get hit, man. I'm riding down your block and your shit'll get split. Riding down your block, man. Riding down your block, man. Ask Tuscaloosa, Alabama, bitch.
Colorado on this bitch.